Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Reasons Mortgage account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Reasons Mortgage. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as mymortgage.reasonsmortgage.com. In my case, it's the second one. Now you need to provide your login credentials to log into your Reasons Mortgage. If you don't have an account, you can create one by tapping on this button that says Enroll. For now, we're just trying to log into our existing account. So go ahead and type your online ID in the text field given for online ID. And type your password in the text field given for password. Now to log into Reasons Mortgage, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you will be successfully logged in if your credentials are correct. And guys, that was it. It was this simple. I hope you found this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more videos like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries and questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.